Good morning to all. My name is Vivek Kumar and I am a master trainer in World Class Skill Center, Dwarka. Today I am taking this class basically on dusting in a guest room. How a room attendant do a dusting in a guest room. So here you can see a room which contains so many other articles. For example, furnitures, headboard, mirrors, glasses, picture frames, lampshades. So these are all required dusting. So today in this class we will learn how to dust all these items step by step. So the first thing is to do. A room attendant has to take duster from his caddy. A caddy which is given to each and every room attendant. It contains all the chemicals, equipments as well as dusters for the room cleaning purpose. The second thing is after collecting a duster, a room attendant has to fold these dusters into 4 folds. Here you can see different types of dusters, and these dusters are microfiber dusters which are generally used in housekeeping for cleaning or dusting of a room. So these blue duster, white duster and yellow dusters have different functions. Like blue duster is basically used for dusting, general dusting. White duster is basically used for cleaning of glasses like drinking glass, highball glass, old fashioned glass or coffee mug. And these yellow dusters is basically used to clean mirrors and windows. The next thing, after folding the dusters into 4 folds, you have to take a chemical which is called Tasky R2. Tasky R2 is a chemical which is basically called a general purpose cleaner, and this Tasky R2 is also act as a disinfectant. So you have to just sprinkle Tasky R2 on microfiber duster and then start doing the dusting. One more thing is here that the dusting need to be done either in a clock direction or anti-clockwise direction and from top to bottom. Let's start the dusting in clockwise direction, and we will start with the doors and windows. So dust inside and outside of each door, frame and window frames. For areas which cannot be reached, you can use feather duster and remove the dust and cobwebs. So it is very clear that a room attendant has to do the dustings in a clockwise direction or anti-clockwise direction and starting from the door. So the areas which can be reached can be cleaned by the duster, and which cannot be reached can be cleaned by using the feather duster. Now next step is dusting of a wardrobe. So all drawers and racks need to be dusted properly from top to bottom. Here you can see other articles also like hangers, iron boards, shoe baskets and electronic safe, which also requires proper dusting. Now the dusting of minibar counter and glass trays. So these glasses need to be cleaned by using white dusters, and the dust counter of minibar as well as bottle covers need to be properly cleaned by using green duster. Once this is done, the dusting of wooden luggage rack is also important because all the rooms contains these luggage racks. So it requires to be cleaned from the top, their legs as well as from behind need to be clean. And the very much important is the wooden skirtings of walls need to be properly clean. Once it is done, we can move towards the dusting of a writing table and chair. Writing table and chair need to be clean from inside and from the outside as well. Inside means you need to open the drawer and from clean the entire area which contains it, and the outside areas like the legs of table, the legs of chairs, as well as the outside areas means containing telephones, containing business kits and calendars which require proper dusting as well. You can use R2 because R2 act as a disinfectant, so you can clean the telephone with chemical R2 as well. Next is dusting of mirror. For cleaning of mirror, you can use chemical R3 to remove hard stain from the mirrors. Either or you can use R2 because it's a general purpose cleaner. Once it is done, you can move towards the dusting of a picture frames. Picture frame need to be clean from the front side, from the lower side and from the
top side. If it is not reachable, you can use feather duster as well. Next, the dusting of a coffee table as well as sofa set with puff. So the sofa need to be cleaned with all the corners, their legs as well as from the behind side. If the coffee table contains the drawers, it has to be cleaned from inside as well and with the legs. The top of the coffee table can also be cleaned by using R3 or you can use R2 as well. Once it is clean, you can move towards the next, which is called dusting of a wooden curtains and above the wooden curtains. For example, the rods which contains a lot of dust because it is not reachable area. So you can use feather duster to clean this above window curtains. After this, you can do the dusting of bedside table. So bedside table here you can see a lampshade which needs proper dusting. You can also clean telephone, alarm clocks, the top of the bedside table, the drawers, and below the drawers, as well as behind the drawers need to be properly cleaned. Next, the dusting of a headboard. We all know that in a hotel, all the hotels beds have these headboards. So headboard need to be properly dusted because it contains lot of dust because it is not cleaned on a daily basis. So we need to take care of it. So that's it in today's video. Thank you and have a nice day.